Here I've got GEOTEL Pace to Lite, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then go to keypad. It's time to enter the first secret code, which is *##, 759, ###. And as you can see, now we are in the back menu where you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation events, and all the other very useful information. You can also check pings, events, and also view client ID. Let's go back, and it's time for the second code, which is *##, 426, And here you can come along with diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and also status. And if you will click on the more icon, you can open advanced view. So as you can see now, you can come along with further information and details. So let me go back. It's time for the third code, which is *##, 4636, #*#. And now we are in testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi info. So let's start with phone information, where you can locate IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and many other information. And also you can run a ping test here. Here you've got the solution, and let's go back. Then in user statistics, you can find detailed information about all your applications. And in Wi-Fi information, you will locate Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. So let's check network APA at first. Here you can come along with all disabled networks, disconnect, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can smoothly come along with all configured networks. And in Wi-Fi status, smoothly refresh it. You can check the status of your Wi-Fi, and also you can perform here a ping test. To do it, smoothly click on Run Ping Test. And that would be basically all for this code. And let's go to another, which is *##, 225, #*#. And now we are in calendar info, so all information from your calendar are included here, and you will not forget about any important date, any important event. So let me go back. And now it's time for the last code, which is *##, 06. This pretty short code will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. And that will be all. These are all secret codes for your device, for your smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.